John, Mike at Lakeshore RV. Congratulations on the new MPG 2700TH toy hauler. We have it here. Let's go inside and check it out. So first thing I notice is your control panel. That's going to be down here. That's going to control your slide in and out, your awning in and out, your cap lights, your awning lights, your auxiliary lights, your cabin lights, a button there to turn on your hot water heater, your water pump, and actually to turn your hot water heater on electric or gas. And these are just tank level readers. This is a battery disconnect, and below us here, this is our fuse box. Okay, so into the garage portion of this camper, we have your 2 European style recliners, 2 fold down sofas. They're strapped up now, so this kind of gives you an idea of where you can, put the motorcycle. You do have 10 tie down straps in here. Table, of course, is removable. Back here to the party deck, I have this all set up for you. Pulled 4 pins out, but this gives you a nice area where you can set up a chair or 2 and hang out, maybe even go fishing over a river, who knows. Back inside, we do have the larger refrigerator here. Refrigerator freezer. This is going to run off of battery, and it's going to run off of electric. Now this camper does have a solar prop on the front of it, so you can get like a briefcase solar panel and hook that up. It's going to drip charge your battery, give you a longer life on this if you were to lose power or go boondocking. Your cabinets, these are all solid maple on your drawers and door fronts. Just pull those out a little bit and kind of show you. Full drawer extensions, so that gives you full usage of the drawer. I'm going to open this up. This is your oven. 3 burner stovetop. Folds back over, it gives you more counter space. Your microwave. Your light and your fan. This box right here, so this has your 50 amp cord, 50 amp power cord. We have your fire extinguisher, spray nozzle. This is a mosquito net for back there. Remote controls, things like that, spray hose, lots of goodies. Up here we have your farm style sink, tons of counter space, of course your television above, a little bit of storage cabinets above and below it, plenty of storage down here. These are going to be vents, so you're going to have 2 of these, one on this side, and I believe there's going to be one down here, below, and that's just for any kind of gas, smell, anything you need to get out of the camper. Let's go up front. King size bed. This is a full king size bed. So if you want to replace it and get a nicer mattress, you don't have to get anything special made. You can go to your local mattress store and buy it. Closet space either side. We have 4 drawers above for more storage, so you probably can't see in there, but overhead storage. And then we have a full closet over here. You'll get a view of this in just a second. 3 drawers, 2 of them very large, and quite a bit of closet space. Okay, now I want to show you the bathroom before we go outside. This is your bathroom. Toilet right here, placed in a nice spot. Big shower. As you can see, I'm not the hugest guy, but it fits me. I'm 5'10". Nice vanity, counter space, and we do have some storage above and below for garbage, toilets, things like that, and a vanity spot for a medicine cabinet. Light switch. All right, let's go outside. Okay. All right, we have your pass-through storage. This is a larger pass-through storage than you're going to see in other models, and it is all fully finished, as you can see. You can also see your framework, the aluminum frame in there. These are some hand tools if needed down the road. Now this is extra storage that lifts and that pulls out. Very cool feature. Very cool feature. These are your power stabilizer jacks. And we're going to retract those. We have those on the front and the back. Moving on. Up front here, We have two 20-pound LP tanks under this protective case. Power tongue jack with a light on it. There's your light. And there's that tongue jack working. Right here we have a spot for your sewage hose. I'm going to give you one of those, okay? So when you leave here on Thursday, you'll have one. Okay, coming around to this side of the camper, we have your potable water or your fresh water. That's water you can take with you. Not something you're going to want to drink, but you can shower with it, do dishes. Black tank flush, that's for cleaning out your sewage tank. This is your exhaust here. Hot water heater, 6-gallon hot water heater. This is your 50-amp plug-in. Saddle and cable right below it. And then we have your city water connection. So when you're at a campsite, you're going to plug into that. You'll have pressurized water. All right, let's keep going. That's your vent cover there on the outside. So when you open that, it just pops open. Again, your deck. And then coming around to the camping side, we have a leash latch here. So if you do have a dog or a kid, and then we can extend again. These are our rear stabilizer jacks. Bring those back up. We have your awning light, beautiful LED strip, two high quality outdoor speakers. These stairs are solid steps, so I want to show you lastly with this video, you want to have the door fully open. We're going to come up with it. We got a little latch here. Do it like that. Close the door. Thanks again, John. I'll see you in a couple of days. Yeah, can't wait, man.